Good morning, students. Now, the activity means we are going to solve a numerical based on Wishstone meter bridge. In the last lecture, we studied the construction and the working of Wishstone meter bridge. What is the formula for Wishstone meter bridge we derived in the last lecture? The formula was like this: unknown resistance upon known resistance equals to Lx upon Lr, if you remember. Same formula we will apply to solve the numerical. Let us read the numerical. An unknown resistance is placed in the left gap and the resistance of 50 ohm is placed in the right gap of the meter bridge. So students, once you understood this particular numerical is belongs to meter bridge, let us draw the meter bridge first. Let us draw the meter bridge. This rough diagram of meter bridge. So in data, I am going to draw the rough diagram of meter bridge, which will help us to solve the numerical. So as we know, there are two L-shaped copper strip and one straight copper strip. There is a metal wire over here. So again, I am going to read the question. An unknown resistance is placed in the left gap. So student, this particular gap is the left gap. Here I will connect unknown resistance. And in the right gap, there is a known resistance whose value is what? 50 ohm. This 50 ohm is R for us. Student, let us read the next sentence. The null point is obtained at 40 centimeter from the left end. So student, as we know, point A and point C, which is the left end of this particular bridge. Student, we know that, we observe that point A is the left end. From the left end, we get null point is at 40 centimeter. So we understood or we observe that this 40 centimeter is near to the which register X. Therefore 40 centimeter is what? Your Lx. So student, what will be Lr? Because total length of the wire is what? 100 centimeter. So Lr is what? 100 minus 40, which is equals to 60 centimeter. Many times this particular information they won't provide, will not provide, because it's a meter bridge. It is mentioned over here, it is a meter bridge. Means length of the wire by default we have to take what? 100 centimeter. If balance length, one of the balance length it is given, then we have to subtract that particular length from the value 100. Then we will get what? Remaining balance length of the wire. Student, since bridge is balanced, solution. Since Wishstone meter bridge is balanced, therefore the formula we know is what? X upon R is equals to what? Lx upon Lr. The value of X we don't know. So what is X equals to? Lx upon Lr multiplied by what? R. Now we will substitute the value of Lx. What is the value of Lx we found here? 40 centimeter. What is the value of Lr we found here? 60 centimeter. What is the value of R we found here? And it is given. How much the value of R is a 50 ohm. Substitute the value of R, Lx and Lr. Do the simple calculation. 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 50 to the 100, 100 upon 3. The value of unknown resistance is what? 100 upon 3. If you keep the answer in fraction, it's okay. If you want to find in decimal 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 33.33 ohm. This is the final answer of unknown resistance of this particular numerical. Student, one more activity you have to solve at home, and you have to reply. If any difficulties, if you have, you ask me. Next question, next activity. In a balance meter bridge, the segment of wire opposite to 20 ohm is 40 centimeter. Calculate the unknown resistance. Thank you very much.